Oh, hello there and welcome to Learn with Ryan. Today we're going to be doing a bit of cooking. We're going to be making a delicious chicken and mushroom tagliatelle pasta dish, which is absolutely divine. It's quick and easy to make, so if you're looking for a nice weeknight treat, then continue watching this video. Here are the different ingredients that you'll need. So here are the ingredients that we'll need. We'll need 1 small onion diced. We'll need 400 grams of tagliatelle pasta. We'll need some creme fraiche. Doesn't matter how much, you can add as much or as little as you like. We've got some mushrooms which are sliced, and again it doesn't really matter on the quantity, it depends how much you like mushrooms. We've got 500 ml of chicken stock. We've got some baby spinach, and we've got some diced chicken breast. So let's get cooking. So now we have our ingredients sorted, here are the different steps. Step 1. Put a frying pan on high heat and pour in a few drops of vegetable oil. Step 2. Add the chopped onions and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Step 3. Add the diced chicken breast. Keep tossing and turning the chicken until it has gained some colour. Step 4. Add the chopped mushrooms. Stir and cook the mushrooms for about 10 minutes or so that the chicken can continue cooking along with the mushrooms and onions. Step 5. Add the tagliatelle pasta. Step 6. Add the chicken stock. You might find that the chicken stock isn't enough and doesn't cover the tagliatelle, in which case just add some water from the kettle. Turn the temperature down to medium-high and leave to simmer for around 15 minutes, or until the pasta has absorbed the water. Step 7. Turn the temperature back up to high and add the creme fraiche. Start with a bit of creme fraiche, stir it round, add more if you need to add more. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take out what you've already added. And step 8, add the spinach and give it a good stir until the spinach has withered down. And here is the beautiful chicken and mushroom tagliatelle pasta. Yummy! Have a look at this tagliatelle I've just made. Chicken and mushroom tagliatelle with spinach. I cannot wait to dig in. Let's have a taste. Gorgeous. I would eat the whole thing in front of you if I could, but that will be wasting video. So I shall stop there. Why don't you have a go and see if you can make the same dish I just did? You will be amazed. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon on Learn with Ryan. Take care.